Arriving to Suvarnabhumi Bangkok airport and knowing exactly how to walk to immigration and process to baggage claim, getting a SIM card and heading to the public transportation could seem a kind of difficult and time-wasting process. So in this vlog we are going to show you step by step all the mentioned processes in order to make your arrival easy, which will help you to save time and money.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
I just arrived to Suvarnabhumi International Airport in Bangkok, and I will walk toward the immigration and after that to baggage claim, buy a SIM card and then take a public taxi to downtown Bangkok. So as you walk inside from your arrive gate, you will see signs mentioning where you have to walk, which are very easy to follow. The blue ones guides you to the immigration and baggage claim, and the yellow ones guides you to transfer and continuing your flights. Along the way you have many restrooms and toilets, so you can use them before you continue to the immigration. And no matter what gate your flight arrives, you will see these signs, the blue and yellow, guiding you at every walking path to the immigration, so no worries, just follow them. Your walk path may be short or long, depending where your plane gates arrives, so as long as you see the signs, continue walking, and as I said, it depends from which gate you are walking. It could take from 5 to 10 minutes to arrive to the immigration. So don't worry about the walking, almost all the path is covered with electric walking paths, so that it can ease on you, especially if you have a heavy baggage. And on the blue signs you can see how many meters you have to walk to arrive to the immigration, so that could also help you to know how much time you need. Now if you don't have to catch another flight and not in a hurry, you can walk and take your time. But if it's the opposite, then you better hurry, cause most of the times this airport is busy and you can waste lot of time while you are waiting your turn in the immigration line. Along the way you can also find many exchange desks where you can exchange your money to the local currency. But my advice to you is to exchange the least amount since the rates are low in the airport and higher outside. Now here the sign shows to turn left for the immigration, so we will walk that way cause the other way leads to the transfers. And also once you turn there is a path that leads you if you need visa on arrivals. This time my arrival gate was so far and I had to walk more than 10 minutes to arrive to the immigration, and that was so unlucky and exhausting, but sometimes you can be lucky and your arrival gate can be just so near to the immigration. So we are just almost there. This big LED that shows you the arrival flights is near the immigration point. Now we have to turn left again and finally we are at the immigration and arrival point. Well, another unlucky thing, it was rush hour, and obviously we had to wait a lot before passing the immigration point. Now after 40 minutes of waiting our turn, we have passed and headed to the baggage claim to see which belt to collect our arrived baggage. Well, for today I was for the first time lucky. My baggage was just passing in front of me, so I grabbed it fast. So now you have to walk to the exit, which there are many, A and B and C's. All leads you to the same place, so take the nearest one and walk through. Also here you can find many exchange shops, but as I said, if not necessary, exchange the money outside the airport, it's better. In order to exit after baggage claim, you don't have to walk too much. It's almost an exit in every 10 meters. So I chose exit B, since it directly leads you to the kiosk where they sell SIM cards, so we can buy one before we head to the public taxi. Here you can see the public transportation informations, but no worry, keep walking, you will see them outside too. Now here you have many kiosks selling SIM cards. Choose the tourist SIM cards, they are the best, and take them according how long you will stay in Thailand. They will ask your passport and take a picture of you, so it's simple process. Now that we have the SIM card too, we are walking to the public taxi which is in the first floor. Here you can find the information on what kind of transportation you need. A private car, a public taxi, airport link train, so choose one and head to the mentioned floor. Okay, now we are heading to the first floor since the arrivals are in the second floor. We are going to take the electronic stairs because it's a very crowded time, and taking the elevator will be nearly impossible. If you want to take the airport link train, then you have to go down to the base floor. As you see, it's a very rush hour time, and walking in the airport kind of hard after 7 hours of flight. Now you follow the signs for the public taxi exit, which in this case is turning right, so we are going out to take the taxi. So as you see in the sign, we have to go outside to take the public taxi, so let's walk. Also you have a public shuttle bus service, so it's up to you. Here you have many kind of taxis depending how many persons you are and what kind of taxi you need, big or small. A woman will give you a number so that you go and take the taxi of that number. Here we have number 41. Don't worry about the fares. Those are airport public taxi, so they work on meter, and you will pay according to the distance and time to your hotel or accommodation. The taxi driver will be waiting for you on the mentioned number. You give the ticket to him and tell the address you want to go. And mission accomplished. You are safely going to your hotel. Welcome to Bangkok. I hope you enjoyed this vlog and it will be helpful for you when traveling to Bangkok. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more from Live Love Thailand.